Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
You look tired.
Yes, I feel tired.
Take this chocolate.
Thank you so much. It smells good.
Taste it.
Yes, it tastes good. Who gave it to you?
My cousin brother bought it for me.
What's his name?
His name is Shubho.
Oh, I know him. He sounds American. Even he looks American.
Because he was born in America.
Have they come?
Yes, they have come.
That's why you sound happy.
Yes, I'm really happy.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.